Get ready with me. I'm going out to eat. I'm just gonna put some Kiehl's cream on. I already knew that all this makeup that I'm wearing is gonna break me out because now I have a huge pimple right there. I'm gonna put on some sunscreen since I'm gonna be outside. I'm keeping it really light and just putting concealer wherever I need it. I'm using Pink Me Peach Makeup by Mario blush. I liked how this looked yesterday and I'm just gonna use it again. I think I'm gonna do another layer of the Dior under my eyes just so it's more bright. I'm gonna put on my blush now. I'm gonna just build it up till I like it. I'm gonna set my eyes with Huda Beauty and Pound Cake. I'm gonna go over my blush with a powdered blush because I just used a cream blush. So this is Patrick Ta and said she's a doll. I'm gonna use the powdered one and just go over this. The pigment and the color, oh my god, this is like so pretty. It's so pink, but I don't care, it's so cute. I just went in with my Makeup by Mario contour stick and I'm just gonna add some contour. I forgot to do this first. Just to help blend this too, I'm just gonna go over with a powdered contour just to kind of bring it together. I'm gonna push it up to lift up my cheekbones. I love double setting. I feel like it just makes your under eye literally just like non-existent. I did like a really subtle blue underneath my eyes. It kind of looks like black, but in person you can definitely tell it's blue up close. I'm gonna add some white liner and some mascara. Okay, I'm adding the mascara. I used the Rare Beauty mascara. This is like the best mascara I've ever used. Usually I would put powder to clean it. Today I'm just gonna use concealer. I did this when I was on vacation and it gives such a clean look. You just put it like that and then you blend it downwards and it makes your cheekbones just pop so nicely. Then I like to take whatever powder is left on this brush and I just go like this to kind of set it so it doesn't like feel weird. For brows, I just gel them. That's all I do. I'm gonna comb my lashes, put on lipstick, and I'll show the outfit. And I always forget to add this inside every single get ready video with me, like even for the wedding events. Like I always set with my Charlotte Tilbury spray, I just never show it. It smells so freaking good. It literally smells like perfume. I'm using Pillow Talk. This is my makeup. I forgot to add highlighter again. I always do this, so I'm gonna quickly add highlighter even though I already set my face. I'm using Quartz Makeup by Mario highlighter. It's so good. This is like my go-to highlighter. It's just so like highlighting, like it's just so bright. But yeah, this is the final look. Whoever took the time to watch through the entire thing, thank you. I love this outfit. It's just so girly and cute. For shoes, I'm just pairing it with my Gucci slides. My toes are not done, so I'm not showing that. But yeah, this is just such a cute fit. I'm so excited to go eat. I'm literally starving. I got wings. They were so good.